Hi everyone, we're going to find k such that this line is tangent to the graph of this function here. And the first step we're going to do is equate the functions. So equate the functions. And that would give us x squared minus kx equals 4x minus 9. Okay, the next step is equate the derivatives. So on the left side you get 2x minus k, and on the right side you get just 4. Okay, let's solve for k. You're going to get k, if I move it over here, equals 2x minus 4. Now, that would be your k, and then we have to find the actual k. So we're going to plug k back into this equation here. So we're going to substitute and solve for x. So we get x squared minus k, which is 2x minus 4 times x, equals 4x minus 9. Now let's go ahead and simplify. I'm going to go ahead and distribute from both sides at the same time. So it's going to be negative 2x squared plus 4x equals 4x minus 9. And what happens is this is going to equal negative x squared. These two will zero out, and this equals negative 9. Or we have x squared equals 9. So we have x equals plus or minus 3. Now, since we have two x's, we're going to probably have two k's. So we're going to go back and plug in our k's, or x's. So for x equals 3, we have 3 squared minus k times 3, so I'll just put the 3 in front, equals 4 times 3 minus 9. So this is going to be 9 minus 3k equals 12 minus 9, and that just equals 3. So we're going to get, excuse me, 6 equals 3k. So in this case, when x is 3, we have k equal 2. In this case, k equals 2. Now for k equal negative 3, do the same thing, but plug in negative 3. This is going to turn out to be positive 3k equals 4 times negative 3 minus 9. And so simplify. So we get 3k equals, this is negative 21 minus 9, which is negative 30. So k equals negative 10. So in this case, when x is negative 3, our k was negative 10. Okay, we have 3 more problems. And we're going to go a little faster. So the first thing we're going to do is equate the equations. And equate the derivatives. So if we equate the derivatives, we're going to get negative 2x equals negative 4. So x equals 2. So when x is 2, we're going to plug in 2 and solve for k. So we get k minus 2 squared equals negative 4 times 2 plus 7. So this would be k minus 4 equals negative 8 plus 7. So this is going to be k equals, this is negative 1 plus 4. So k equals 3 when x is 2. Next one is fraction 1. So let's equate the equations first. And I'll go ahead and rewrite this as k to the negative x, or x to the negative 1. Now let's equate the derivatives. This would be negative k to the x minus 2, which equals negative 3/4. And rewriting this, I get negative k over x squared equals negative 3/4. And cross multiply, you get negative k equals negative 3x squared over 4. And so k is negative 3/4 x squared. Now what we want to do is plug it back into our original equation here. And so when we plug it back in, we're going to get negative 3/4 x squared over x equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. So this side is going to end up being negative 3/4 x equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. And that's going to yield, when you, let's see, did I do this? This should have been positive. So when you add 3/4 to both sides, you're going to get 3/4 and 3/4, 6/4 is going to be 3/2. So we're going to get 3/2 x equals 3. So x equals 6 over 3, so x is 2. Now when x is 2, you need to plug it back in. When x is 2, you're going to solve for k. Let's do it in purple. So we're going to get k over x equals negative 3/4 2 times 2 plus 3. And this is going to be k equals 3. And we clean that up. So when x is 2, k is going to be 3. So again, we're going to equate the equations. Then we're going to equate the derivatives. So I can rewrite this as k times x to the 1/2. So this is going to be 1/2 kx to the negative 1/2 equals 1. And rewriting this, I'm going to get k over 2 to x to the 1/2, or I can just put square root of x equals 1. So k, cross multiply, and you get k equals 2 square root of x. Now we're going to go ahead and substitute it back in here. So k is 2 square root of x times the square root of x equals x plus 4. And this is going to be 2x equals x plus 4. So x equals 4. Therefore, when x is 4, plug back 4 into those two. X is 4, we get k times square root of 4 equals 4 plus 4. So 2k equals 8. Therefore, k equals 4 when x is 4. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.